iTheku laziwa njengendawo enesimo sezulu esivumayo nesihle unyaka wonke. Kulezi nsuku ezendlule amazinga okushisa aphezulu ashiye izakhamuzi eziningi zizama izindlela zokuhlala zipholile. Emhlanga enyakatho yedolobha abantu bebezipholisa emabhishi.
I just came to Durban this weekend for a business trip, and I was just wondering why it's just so hot. Even at night, even the room I was in, I even thought the aircon was not working, because of the heat. And you try to open the windows and there's also the mosquitoes. I don't know what's happening.
uFaisal Mohammed onesitolo sidayisa ice cream uthi yize likhipha umkhovetsheni ibhizinisi lakhe aliyenzi imali. Uthi imbangela yalokhu amazinga aphezulu okungcola emabhishi.
It's not like our normal December. The people are still afraid. The water is now clean, it's safe to swim, but people are still afraid to come into the water.
Ngesikhathi abanye bejabulela ukuba semabhishi, ukushisa akuzange kubathene amandla abalandeli bekhilikithi njengoba bebukela umdlalo weDurban Super Giants ibhekene nePaarl Royals.
Well, sure, I'll probably have a Coke, or I'm not going to drink anything a little bit hot. But otherwise, yeah, nice breeze here. When from Maritzburg, there's no breeze, so at least I'm a little bit cooler than in the hometown.
Izangoma zezulu zithi zine izifundazwe ezibhekene namazinga okushisa aphezulu okuyi-Northern Cape, i-Eastern Cape, i-Western Cape kanye ne-Free State. Nanku umhlahlo wesimo sezulu.